Calling all drone enthusiasts. Want to soar the Canadian skies? Welcome, foreign drone pilots. Before you take to the skies in Canada, you need a Special Flight Operations Certificate, or SFOC. Whether for fun, work, or research, it's a must-have. So what counts as a foreign pilot? If you're not a Canadian citizen, permanent resident, or a corporation registered in Canada, you're on the list. And yes, even if you're certified in your home country, Canada requires its own drone pilot certificate. Once you apply, sit tight. It can take up to 30 working days for your SFOC to be reviewed and issued. Processing times might vary depending on your application's complexity and completeness. So make sure your application is top-notch and timely. Remember, if your application comes in with less than 30 working days notice, it won't be accepted. Plan ahead. Typically, your SFOC will be valid for a year. So, ready to explore the Great White North from above? Get your Canadian Special Flight Operations Certificate now and let the adventure begin. If you're interested in our advanced RPAS course at Sugu Drones, sign up today and it will definitely help with the process and requirements. Till next time. See you soon.